welcome back to my channel. This is Marie with Sunshine's Original, and in case y'all don't notice, I'm not at my desk. I am at the sideboard in my living room, and I want to show y'all something that I think is really pretty that I did with OohlalaVintageTreasures Harvest Waltz kit. I have another thing that I'm planning as well, but for right now, I have made this banner, this fall garland banner that I also think would look really pretty on my fireplace, and that's probably what I'll do with it next year. But my fireplace is already decorated for fall, so I'll put it right here on my sideboard. I'm gonna move this out of the way so that I can give y'all a better look. All right, let's see here. I've got it done with beads and lace and cheesecloth. Now, every one of the banners are different, but they have a lot that's the same. One of the things that's the same is I cut out these little pumpkins that Doreen from OohlalaVintageTreasures made from her satin flowers that she made, and a little piece of ribbon at the top. And she made the cutest little pumpkins out of them. I think that they're adorable. Adorable, adorable. I know I keep getting in front of the light and there's a shadow, but it's the best I can do. Every one of them has this, I don't know what you want to call this, these fibers behind them. And they have some lace right here up underneath. And other than that, oh yeah, they all have this little bit of gold at the bottom as well. I forgot about that. And then, so I did some on the sides, and some of the decor different on every one of them. All of them have pearls up at the top. We got some different beads here. I think that is so pretty. There's another one. I need to see what y'all can see because I normally don't hold my camera. Anyway, I think they are just adorable. Darling little banners. I love them. I'm really happy with them. Alright, so I didn't do an instructional video on this because, to be honest, this is the first time I ever made a banner of this size, and until I was going through it and actually doing it, I didn't know exactly what I was gonna do. So, but if you are interested on how I made this, it's got a soft center. Anyway, if you're interested, I can definitely show y'all how I made the banner. Y'all let me know down in the comments. But yeah, that is it. I just wanted to share that with y'all. One thing I do want y'all to remember is keep the people in Florida on the West Coast in y'all's prayers. How devastating. It's been a pretty sad and upsetting week, and even more so for those who will never get their loved ones back. Definitely keep them in your prayers and send support in any way that you can. And y'all, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all again soon. Bye.